Okay, Joe, why are we driving 2.5 hours away on Saturday morning?
We're on our way to Mecum. Every year I say I'm going to go to Mecum, and then I don't go. And then my buddy Matt Goss over at Goss Garage, check out his YouTube channel. He collects, he's a car enthusiast, he's a car enthusiast. He says, this year I got to go because there's going to be lots of Mopars. Okay, I'm going. And we might get a chance to stop over at a friend's car collection. He's got a garage full of awesome cars. A12 cars, 6-pack cars, Cudas, you name it, he has it. So we should go check that out since we're going to be over here.
Do you think he'll let us film it?
Oh, hopefully he does. He's a pretty nice guy, I think he will. We're running late. Somebody doesn't want to get up early.
You didn't want to get up either.
I was up.
It's 7:30.
Now we got to stop for Chick-fil-A. Who wants Chick-fil-A?
Me. Why, you're not gonna have any?
Oh, I'm gonna have some. So, that's where we're going. In the old police charger with not a working fuel gauge now.
I think you need to be a little bit more enthusiastic. You look like a Kurt Cobain talking about his songs.
Well, that would be pretty depressing anyway. I'm too enthusiastic to be Kurt Cobain.
Chick-fil-A is the first stop.
Everybody's happy. We can get back on the road. Go see some cars before it's over.
Can I have a couple of your fries?
I asked you. We're standing right in front of the grill like 5 times. You don't want any waffle fries? No, just a sandwich. You don't want any waffle fries? No, just a sandwich.
I just want a couple, like 3 or 4. I don't want the whole thing. Thank you.
Well, we made it to Mecum. There's a gazillion people. They're shuttling people from South China over to the building. It's $10 to park. No wonder I didn't come.
Jay, they closed the parking. We got lucky.
Yeah.
Finally made it here. So where are we gonna go first?
It's generously at 314 National Heritage Park Day. Kissemmee, more from this collection of gifts and photos of all the
That's what I'm reading from.
It's okay. Bye.
$170, $170,000, $170, $170, $180, $180,000, $180, $180, $180, $180, $180, $90, $190, $190, $190, $190, $190, now two, $200,000, $200,000, anywhere, $190, now two, $200,000, anybody want that from two, anybody want that two, anybody want that down 10, $210 anywhere, anybody want that 10, I'm 200 here, down 10, 200 bid, down 10, down 10, down 10, down 200 bid, down 10, 210 anywhere, anybody get 10, I'm 200 bid, down 210, 20, 220, 220, 220, 220, then you want to make 210, 220, 220, 220, 210, 220, 220, then you want to make 20, now 20, 220, then you want to make 20, 220, 220, 220, 220, there's 215,000 help, Jamie, 215,000, 210, 215, anywhere, 215, then you want to make 215, then you want to get 215,000, 215, now 20, 215, now 20, 220, 220, 220, 220, 215, and 20, 220, then you want to make 20, now 20, now 20, 215 here, now 20, 215 big, now 20, 215, now 20, 220, 220, reserve hands up, now 215,000, then you want to make 220, 220, 220, 215 big, then you want to get 220, now 5 on the car, off the block, 225, 225, 220, 225, 225, 30, 230, 230, 230,000, then you want to make 230, 230, 230, 225 big, 230, now 5, 235, then you want to make 235, 235, 235, internet, 230 big, 215, 235, 235, 235, 21, 235, now 40, 240, 240, 235 big,
That's a cool advertisement. I would totally get this one because that's my car, but I think I have that one.
Like that, huh?
Yeah.
Panther Pink Superbird. I've seen a gajillion Superbirds in Daytonas, but I don't know if I've ever seen a Panther Pink Superbird. Nice Hemi Roadrunner behind you.
Why did you walk in front of the camera? It's freezing. Very cold.
Still
We
in
got
Mecum.
coffee and chocolate.
Trying to warm up for a minute. A little donut and coffee. We watched the Ferrari sell for $16 million. This crazy guy passed them like 3 other times on 20 and 30 million. And we're gonna go back inside and watch the auction.
You want to get 19 million, you want to get 18, you want to get 19.
been one of
I have
those,
18, you want to get 19, you want to get 20. I have
think that's where it
$19
was
million
from.
bid. $20 million. 19, 20, 19 bid, you want to get 20, you want to get 20, you want to get 20. I have 19, you want to get 20. 19, 20, 19 bid, you want to get 20 bid, you want to get 20, you want to get 20, you want to get 19, 20. I have 19 million, you want to get 20 million, you want to get 19, 20. I have 19, you want to get 20 bid, you want to get 20, you want to get 20 bid, 20. At 20 million, $20 million. $21 million. 21, 20 bid, 21. I have 20 million, you want to get 1, 2, you want to get 1, 2. At 22, at $22 million bid, you want to get 2, 3. I have $22 million bid, you want to get 3. I have 22, you want to get 3. At 22 million, you want to get 23. At 23 million, I have 22 and now 3. 22 million is the bid. $23 million. 22, 23. I have 22 bid, you want to get 3, you want to get 3, you want to get 2, you want to get 3. At 23 million, I have 22, you want to get 23. Yes, 22,500,000 is bid. 23, 5, $24 million. 24 million, 24 million. $24 million, 23,500,000 is the bid. $24 million, 23, 5, 24. I have 23, 5 bid, you want to get 24. 24 million, 23, 5, 24. I have 23, 5 bid, you want to get 24 million. 23, 5, $24 million. 23, 5, $24 million. Yeah, it's funny, Gus. Be great if you bid. 23,500,000 is the bid. $24 million. 23, 5, 24.
Right, right.
Like,
Ferrari Classic certification. The last Nart Spider imported to the U.S. by Kissemmee. Original chassis and body. Restored in the original factory color. Known ownership since new. 5-speed and a hidden convertible top.
$23,500,000 is the bid. $24 million. 23,524. Give $24 million. Gus? Purvis? $24 million.
What kind of money you got in your bank account to be able to pull that trigger? On our way home from Mecum, I enjoyed it. I was impressed. A lot more cars than I could have ever imagined. I don't know if I would go again on a Saturday. I think the Saturday is a good day to watch it on TV, but I would go Friday, Thursday maybe, before people buy the good cars and leave with them, because a lot of people do leave with the cars once they buy them. For example, a friend bought a really nice 71 DY3 cream 71 Challenger. He was leaving with it when I ran into him, and if I didn't catch him right at the time, I never would have seen it. But big money, heavy cars, Ferraris that were going for 16 million. We won't have time to go see that collection this time, but I promise we'll drive back to Orlando and check it out. It now has a 71 DY3 Challenger in it, so that'll be something to look forward to. Now the long drive home. Alright, so we're not going straight home. In my typical fashion, we got to make a pit stop over by Clearwater to pick up some 67 B-body trim. Then we'll go home. It's just what I need, some more B-body trim.
Got a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
What's that?
I said, Gus is the man. Well, guys, thanks for watching. We got a busy week ahead. I gotta take care of my customers who desperately needing my help. We gotta figure out what car is going on the Hot Rod Power Tour. I paid my registration. I'm excited, but I don't know what I'm taking. So wait until you see the options that we have. They are from one extreme to another. That's what we have to look forward to this week. If you like this and like to see the adventures I get into, like it, subscribe it, do all that YouTube stuff that you need to do, and we'll talk to you later this week about one of these car projects. Thanks for watching.